Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your ZTE Revvl from T-Mobile, and this tutorial would work with this model or any similar devices. What you need to do first, you have to turn the phone off. Once it's turned off, you will need the up volume key and the power key. You'll press these two buttons at the same time and keep holding. Once the recovery screen comes up, just release all the buttons and you just have to wait. Now what you need to do is you scroll down to wipe factory reset the device, press yes. Then once that is done, you will need to scroll down to wipe cache partition and press yes. Once that is done, you will just restart your device and your phone is back to factory settings. Make sure when you do this that you have to re-enter your Google account ID if you had it on the device before you reset it. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you guys for watching.